Uh, well, good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, this my opportunity to presentate my idea for essay paper, and I would like to say special thanks to my lecturer to give me this opportunity. And the idea for my essay paper is a speaking skill in oral descriptive text with picture as media. Next. Next. Okay, this is my table of content, and the number one is chapter chapter one is introduction, chapter two theoretical foundation, and third is a research the method. Introduction, background of study, research for choosing the topic, statement of the problem, aim of research, limitation of problem, hypothesis, operational definition, research significance. Background of the study. Speaking skills are one of the important techniques we must have in a life to communicate effectively. And speaking is very important because students are able to speak effectively without any mistake. Next. The student get difficulties in learning because they do not have enough of vocabulary. The difficulty of the student can be solved by using some method or some media. Next. The reason of my topic that I use my help student improve their English, improving the student language skill need to increase vocabulary. Not the only one, that student will also dare to speak in front of their friend using English skill. I I mean, I mean English language. Next. The statement of the problem. Is there any effect for using picture as a media towards students on speaking the descriptive text? Next. Uh, the aim of the research to find effectiveness of using a picture as media on speaking the descriptive text, and the second to identify that student ability on speaking the on descriptive text. Next. That is a limitation of the problem. Student lack of a vocabulary and contrasting the generic structure of the descriptive text. Next. So this hypothesis, according to Hübner, picture one of the visual that visual aids and be used in the teaching material in expressing personal identity of the text. Next. That operational definition. The picture, often referred to as a pic and image. A picture is a visual capture of an object. An image or picture can be recreated using a device such as digital camera, scanner, or smartphone. Its work of art create and a computer based on our conclusion that refer to the source. And the descriptive text is text which say that what a person or a thing is like. Purpose is to describe and refer a particular person. It means that uh, characteristic person and place or something like that. Next. Uh, operational definition for speaking skill. It's from Tarrigan. Define that speaking is a language skill that is developed in child life, which is produced by listening skill, and at that period, speaking skill is learned. Speaking is the productive skill. It could not be spread from listening. When we speak, we produce the text, and it should be meaningful. Next, this is a research significant. Number one is for teacher, student, researchers, and the reader. Chapter 2, literature review. Picture according to Hübner. Picture that is one of visual aids is very typical of practical presentation. Picture can be designed and be used teaching material in expressing a personal identity text. The media will facilitate the capture student or teacher to master the material presented. Next. From speaking skill, as it said, Brown defines speaking as a productive skill that can be directly observed empirically. Thus, observation are invariably called by the accuracy and effectiveness of the tactical listening skill, which is necessary compromise the reliability and validity of an oral production test. Next. This, for descriptive text, according to Tompkins and Stanley, descriptive text is a painting picture with words. By reading a descriptive text, reader feel that they see the description just like they see a picture. Descriptive text has a purpose to describe an object or a person that the writer is interested in. Next. This is a chapter 3 for research method. Research method and design. This is a for qualitative. Number one is qualitative, and the second is random experimental. Population and sample. I choose the SMA Kosgoro Kota Bogor, and located in Jalan Pajajaran nomor 2017. The student from class A and B. This research is the instrument test for this research is a questionnaire. Next. Data collection and technique. For me, for my idea, I should have to create a questionnaire first, and I would like to create the questionnaire and tell her about the ability for speaking and the difficulty for speaking skill, and a picture as a media for student learning to describe using English skill. And the second, the treatment, this is required to list of 20 people into class. After that, I will give question for them. I choose 10 male and 10 female from two class. And after that, I will give them the question of for that I was create before. Next. So this data analyze for organized data after that I have the data, I have to organize the data, and I should have to analyze data by SPS. And next, so this is the illustration for me, qualitative data analysis. The first, data collection, observation, interview, document reading, data reduction, selection, focusing, simplifying, abstracting, transforming. And data display, matrix, graph, and network chart. And conclusion, drawing, give a meaning, confirming, verifying. Next. I think that is all for me. Thank you for thank you for thank you for joining my presentation today. Uh, and thank you for my lecture to teach me research on application in this semester. And the last one I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.